Want to hide your number on Android? Here are 3 fast ways to do it. You might want privacy for one-off calls, business outreach, or safety reasons. Method 1. Android Caller ID settings. Method 2. Carrier codes. Method 3. Call masking apps. First, hide your number from the phone app via caller ID settings. Second, use a carrier code to block your number for a single call. Third, try call masking apps to manage caller ID and temporary numbers. Open the phone app, tap the 3 dots, then Settings. Select Calls, then Caller ID. Choose Hide Number and save. To hide one call, dial *31# before the number, then call. Or use a reputable app to create a temporary number and place the call securely. Recap: caller ID settings for permanent hide, carrier codes for single calls, apps for flexible masking. Privacy tip: test with a second phone, and never share verification codes for masked calls.